Hi guys, this is Chelsea Baker, professional cosmetologist of 5 years. Today I'm going to show you how to use Coastal Scents Concealer. Let's get started. Now to apply Coastal Scents Concealer, it's pretty much the same as applying any other concealer. You're going to want to take the color that's lighter, about 2 shades lighter than your skin, and apply that anywhere you want to hide an imperfection, a blemish, under eye circles, or just to kind of light up the eyes. So you can take that and apply that just a couple dabs to the outside corner of the eye, a couple dabs right to the inside corner of the eye, anywhere you might see a little spot, and then just take that with your finger and lightly blend the dab. You don't want to blend it too much, but just lightly dab. And then always finish off with your foundation powder, just to kind of hide that concealer and make it even with your skin tone. And there you go. And that's how you use Coastal Scents Concealer. If you have any more beauty questions, feel free to ask. See you next time.